Hey guys, welcome back to another opening video. And the last one, I was showing you guys cards. This time, I'm showing you guys cards. I'm also opening a pack. So we got a Scarlet and Violet Pokemon pack. If you guys want a code card, run an online trading card game. There you guys go. We got a special promo. Comes inside of this. It is this. That guy. And oh, brother, I can't. Yeah. That took me forever. Oh my goodness, fighting with packages. Left away Coco coin. I need you.
Checks like I've never opened a card pack before.
Good. Okay, I got it. I had some assistance. That's normal. In the world. Let me just, yeah. Alright. Another code. I get yours too. Okay. So this, I'm back to the front. Oh my goodness. Here we officially go. Oh. We have an electric energy. Oh, my goodness. Oh my. I'm dropping. cards. Meditate. Oh, okay. Energy search and grammar. Spupa. No way. We got one of the starters. Crackler. Florigis. Grimer evolved into a Muck. We got another starter, guys. We got one that has its second and third evolution. Oh. Florigato. No. Magnemite. And right here, the third stage of Sprigatito. Melser's gotta, I guess. I don't know. If you guys want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the like button. See you next.